Hey, so this is a video to show you how to access a particular worksheet in Google Classroom. So I'm going to assume that you're in Google Classroom already. If you're not, you got to be logged into Google and go to the waffle up here to the Google Apps and choose your classroom. It'll bring you to all your classes. And I'm just going to choose Geometry 326. And then under classwork, let's say I want to find, from 2 weeks ago, April 13th through the 17th, there's Unit 5 Worksheet 1. I click on that. Tells me what I need to do there, and I want to submit my work and all that. And you can click on these. This will give you the PDF. You can print it out, do whatever you need to do. That will give you worksheet number 1. There also is a link for the answers. By all means, use that after you've done the work to check it out. If you need help submitting it, let me know. Or if you need anything else. Have a great day.